Okay, so day one, we're in the evening, and Darren from Kettering Aquatics has done a real nice job. It's flickering because of the 50 Hertz tubes, I think. So yeah, done a real nice aquascape. It's beginning to clear. Bit of vibration has been coming from these MP40s, but the way to solve that is to gently move this part, and you'll find that there's a sweet spot over the wet side, and that will then suddenly go quiet. You might need to just turn the speed down as you move it around, and then crank it back up again and see if the noise has gone. It's perfect now. That side, I've just done the same with the other one. It's quite hard to line up actually because of the refraction through the glass, so I've just done it based on the sound, and these are now pretty silent. Still to sort out the auto top-up system. That's just got to be secured in the right place and turned on. The Vectra pump is pretty much on maximum. I'm surprised how high that's gone, but that's absolutely fine. If I go to the app and hit feed mode, all of these turn right down. So yeah, I mean, it's really good. I'll be investigating that over the coming weeks. The reef link I've got here, but it's going on the wall, but really there's absolutely no reason to have this anywhere near the tank. You can just hide it away once you've plugged it into your laptop and made the connections to your, in my case, wireless network. That just needs to be plugged into the mains and put somewhere close by, but I've got a wall bracket for it, so it'll be going on the wall. Didn't realise there were metal brackets available for these, so I actually ordered some on eBay, plastic 3D printed ones. Hopefully they'll do the job. Of course, once you've got these set and running with the app, you're probably not likely to be touching the controls. And actually there is a problem with this. The dial on this is very stiff, and it's because the moulding or the position of the circuit board is not quite right. I suspect the circuit board is not been cut quite right, and it's put the potentiometer just to one side of centre, so it's really stiff to turn. So there was that problem, but we can get that swapped over, obviously. Don't know whether this is going to film. Oh, it is actually, yeah. So we've got the Senai card soaking. I'll reposition this higher up, so if the water drops we'll get an alert from that. We've managed to get all of the sockets up the top there, so we've got the skimmer switchable, the heaters switchable, and the lights will be switchable obviously on the timer. I've cut out one of these boards just so it goes around the pipe there. It's a little bit noisy. I think we're just going to add a little coupling to drop that below the water level, and that will quieten that. Skimmer's doing its thing at the moment. It's going to take a few days to settle down. It's got a fair bit out. I've been messing around with the Vectra pump. Obviously the skimmer's been chucking water out and overfilling as that Vectra pump's gone off. Vectra pump is in here, pretty much silent. Auto top off will be dealt with by this tank that I'm just collecting the skimmate with at the moment. There's a leak detector at the back there, same ones I use on the spa, which I haven't put the videos up on YouTube yet. There's the auto top off unit ready to go. So yeah, other sockets all used. We're gonna get a phosphate reactor and UV, so there's another 2 sockets ready to go for those. But yeah, it's all good. Relatively quiet. once we've quietened that pipe down, this will be pretty good. Not really very intrusive at all. So after 2 years, finally got it going. Just hear a bit of noise from that pump again. Hopefully you heard that change. It got worse and then it got better as I moved that. So that seems to be the way to silence them. You've just got to tweak it a little bit. So yeah, all good. Hopefully the cloudiness will clear over the next 24 hours. It won't focus, unfortunately, because of the glass, I think. And then we'll have a little play with the various modes and go from there.